Hi amazing moms, it's Nicole and I'm back, and this time I'm very excited to share with you a tour of my mom cave slash mommy corner cloffice space, and I hope you are excited to see it as well. So let's jump right on in. So here's my full space, and from head to toe. But when you walk into this room, this is pretty much our guest room slash my office space. So we have a twin size bed in here for the convenience of having a place for others to sleep when they arrive. If they're a larger family, we put a blow up bed on the floor next to this bed. So it works out very conveniently that way. The first thing that I absolutely love about this room is this cluster of motivational quotes in picture frames that I got from Walmart about a year ago. As soon as I saw them, I jumped on them. I think they were like $4 each, and it just turned out really cute, and I love the color scheme. So as you can see, this whole room is a pink or coral, teal, navy blue, white, and touches of gold. Next to that, I have this little cart here that I picked up from Michael's on clearance about a year ago as well. I chose the color white so that I can use it in a variety of places in my home. Sometimes I flip it around so that you can't see the craft and create and plan when guests come over, and I'll put a lamp on the top shelf of it and take my planner stuff out so that they can have some guest items in there. But on the top shelf, I have some washi tape and some little planner odds and ends like page flags or planner rings. On the second shelf where it says create, right now it just has my laminator there for whenever I need to create anything that needs lamination. And on the bottom tier, I have my extra Happy Planner sticker rolls and other Happy Planner items that I'm not currently using. So this shelf right here is an IKEA Calyx shelf, and I love it. I have tons of these in my house, all over the house, especially in the basement where the kids' playroom is. And in here is where I store a variety of items, such as really important documents, as well as a lot of crafting and office supplies. So from the top down, up here I have where I keep all of my cards, some knickknacks, pretty things, extra cute washi, a candle, and some flowers just for decorative touch. And the boxes I actually painted myself, and they are all IKEA boxes. I will link in the description box below where I actually did that project, and I did a video on it. So up here is where I have my little knickknacks and my cute stuff and my cards on display that I get from other people. And on the second and third level, or first and third levels, I have office supplies is in the box, crafts are in one box, paper where I store my paper, and in that little acrylic organizer there has hanging file folders where I keep important documents like trademark information for my blog, my business, and other things like that. And on the last couple of shelves, again, I have more office supplies and other important books that I like to reference on a regular basis, as well as places where I store important things for our home, such as manufacturer warranties and manufacturer books and manuals for a lot of our appliances and things like that. And on the bottom, I like to keep more of my inspirational books and devotionals and journals and things like that. So again, I will link in the description box below how I painted these boxes. They were originally white, and I painted them the navy blue and painted the lids gold just so it can coordinate better. And I absolutely love it. I've had them for years and they've held up really, really well. That paper organizer right there is from IKEA. I keep my lamination sheets and my papers in there. And again, on this row, this is where I keep a lot of my home related books and home organization related stuff, as well as some more office supplies, my camera equipment, more office supplies, and again, my motivational and inspirational books and journals and devotionals that I have read or are currently reading. So now here's my favorite part, and this is my cloffice, my closet office. I keep this the doors on here so that when people come over and we have guests, I can close up the doors and have some sort of privacy for my stuff. So let's go through from top to bottom and look at everything that I have in there. At the top, I have my recording equipment in the corner for when I'm doing voiceovers. I have my old planners 3 years of planners that I'm no longer using in that basket. I have a cute little painting that my cute little, I'm going to call her my goddaughter, made for me. My gold owl mug that my mom got for me. A storage box that I don't really keep anything in. It's just really pretty. It matches with a few items. Just extra odds and ends. This little house is where I keep all of my current favorite nail polishes, because I've started doing a little bit more self-care and doing manicures for myself on a weekly basis. So I keep all my manicure stuff there in that other rose gold basket. And those 3 shoe boxes have just odds and ends like stamps, extra stickers, and cardstock. Now this is the pride and joy of my entire office space. I made this myself, and I will link it in the description box below how I made this pegboard from scratch, and it cost me like $9. And this is how I hang and display a lot of my planner stickers and other office accessories. That little letterboard I recently got from Target for $5 at the dollar spot. In that rose gold basket, that's where I keep my current devotional as well as the planner stuff that I reach for on a regular basis, like my stickers that I use the most in my sticker book. And I also keep my planner in there as well when it's not open and in use. So from top to bottom here, I have hooks that I keep my sticker value pack books on, and it just puts it up in a way that I can see everything. That magnetic board I made from a dollar store cookie sheet and put some really pretty wrapping paper on it, and then use the magnetic dollar store organizational tins on there. And I really like how it turned out. It's a really easy way to organize stuff. This pegboard is phenomenal. You can hang bins and baskets off of it to store lots of things. I have my pens and my markers and my color pencils there. You're able to tack up anything on a pegboard, so I really highly recommend that you check out that tutorial. I keep my calendar there as well, and like I said, this is how I organize my sticker books and things of that nature. On top of my desk, again, just my desk lamp and everything. And again, my fave little letterboard of the moment. Right now I have Boss Mom goals on there, but sometimes I have other quotes up there that are really fun and motivational. I love switching it up every few days or so. This is an extra little basket or drawer set that I keep some other office supplies as well as some merchandise from my shop on halfmomhalfamazing.com. So whenever I get an order in, it just makes it easy that I have everything there that I can ship it and send it. And then I also there, you can see that I have some of my gift wrapping paper and gift supplies for if I have to package anything for anyone. So that's pretty much the overview of my desk. The desk is from IKEA. The chair is from IKEA as well. The cute little waste basket is from Target Dollar Spot from about a year ago, as well as the floral throw pillow, also from Target Dollar Spot as well. So here's another overview of everything in my Clawfist space, and I absolutely love this little area. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of my mom cave, planner space, mommy corner, Clawfist, and all in one. I hope you got some ideas on how you can really just make a space beautiful on a budget. Again, I will link in the description box below links to my DIY pegboard tutorial, as well as how I transform those IKEA boxes into something a little bit more fabulous than white boxes. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. Please go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like this video and share with your friends so that they can get a little bit of motivation on how to organize a small space on a budget and still make it look beautiful. All right, guys, I will talk to you next time, ladies, from one amazing mother to another. Bye.